Welcome to another class with me, Beth-el, your anchor. Is it an anchor? Welcome to this class, basically. Today we'll be talking about HTML5 semantic tags, and these tags kind of new. They help you to create more meaningful HTML documents. We'll get straight into it, but first let's get back into our document or file. I will just open folder and go to desktop, then our Hello World project. I'll just open this our Hello World project, that's all. And I think my VS Code is slow and loading really slow. Let me try and refresh. Okay, so now this was where we were able to open our index of HTML. This is just what's in it. So now let's get started. HTML5 semantic tags are kind of new with HTML5. Trying to give meaning and segmentation to your HTML documents. We've been introduced to one already, but let's just get started with it. So I don't know why this is going on. So now our title will be HTML5 semantic tags. HTML5 tags. So these tags came with HTML5, and basically we'll just be discussing them and how we could use them in our documents. So let's go back to our desktop and open our index of HTML in our browser so that we'll see what we're actually doing. So back to the code. While that is opening, we shouldn't waste so much time on it. So what are these HTML5 tags? First, one of them is the nav. Okay, so no, one of them is the header tag. Sorry, the header tag. It's within the body basically, but it helps us to differentiate what's in the header, like the navigations, the image, the things that form the header of our documents. So let's erase this. So the header, things that form the heading of our documents. Let me give an example of this. Let's go to an actual website where we'll see this in full action. Okay, I already deleted this. Let's go to my favorite jumia.com. So one of my favorite places, for example. So this is the Jumia website. If you notice, from sell on Jumia, the Jumia logo, these navigations, all these make up the header. All these make up the headings. The heading of the Jumia website. The rest are body. So HTML5 tries to create a semantic tag that can help you arrange your documents in such a way that you have the heading or the header. These are referred to as aside. So as we're getting to see, so we now have header. Under the header we have the nav the nav tag, where you put your navigations like this. These are navigations. So basically, accounts, sign in, all these are navigations. So all these are within the header tag, that parent-child relationship we talked about. Then we can now have the aside, which is also like the sidebar, but we can equally have navigations as well. We can equally have navigations in the aside as well, like the Jumia website, like this. So these are asides, or this is an aside bar with navigations on it. This is also an aside, so you have left aside, right aside, like that. Then another type of tag that is kind of new or came with HTML5, that semantic tags are tags like the article tag, that you can use to wrap an article. You know, an article would comprise of headings, either heading ones and the rest, or different kind of heading. An article would equally have different paragraph tags as well, and inside of it you have different emphasis, but everything will now be wrapped under an article tag. And also, even though you can have multiple articles or multiple elements, then there's another semantic tag that came with HTML5. It's also called the section tag. So where you arrange everything into sections. For instance, let's say, so basically these are just examples I'm giving. Like for instance, this Jumia site again, this whole flash sale is a section. Basically, it's a section from here, and this section ends here. Basically, so this section, this could be a section tag. I don't know what. Let's see if we can see the source code behind this. If they are using this, okay, they are not using this. They are using divs to segment. They are not using the HTML5 document, but basically, how they are using one of them, which we'll get to soon. They are using the footer tag. Actually, they're using the footer tag. It's also part of the HTML5 semantic tags that we are talking about. So basically, you have the section that can group different sections. You can have something like India in Jumia site. If you were to, you have section for flash sale, section for main product, something like that, and all these will be like section for flash sale. Then you can copy this and maybe have another section for promoted products. Like that. So basically, these are the tags. This is how you can actually use them. Use this HTML5 semantic tags that we're talking about. Then also there's the footer tag, which is also nice, where you put your footer. Could be footer for an article, could be footer for an entire website. And let me give you an example what a footer actually is. This is a footer of Jumia's website. I think this is their footer. This whole black section from here all down is the footer, basically. So that is that about these semantic tags. And I know in case you come across anyone and you don't understand it, we could still talk about it. But basically, these are the major semantic tags that actually you could come across in your coding, either editing another person's code or if you're even writing it yourself. It's wonderful using them. They help you segment your different part of your document and make it look awesome, especially from the back end view. So this could be the footer. You could have a filter and say a paragraph and say this is the footer. And let me just put some text in there and say navigation area, then you just say aside or sidebar, then something like this. Although when we refresh, we see them stacked on each other like that, but it will help you when you're doing your styling in your CSS to now move everything as they ought to be, basically. So I hope we will be able to understand this. It's a little bit more abstract, but I think in a short while we may have to do a video when we're doing our project and would use this HTML5 semantic tags to create something that would create a better understanding and meaning to it. So basically, this is what they are and what they are actually used for. And if you notice, all of them are actually within the body tag, not necessarily, they are not within the head tag. So if you've been able to understand this, fine, but if you don't understand, don't get your head too wrapped up about it. We're actually going to go into practical examples with it, and you'll see every of them in action. Thank you very much. The next class will be talking about div and span tag, and we'll be able to also get to know them and see their uses as well. Thank you.